Hi, let's discuss one previous question of runtime and moment compiler. This question was asked in GATE CS 2012, question number 36. Consider the program given below in a block structured serial language with lexical scoping and nesting of procedure permitted. Then one pseudo language is given. Consider the calling chain. From main will call A1, from A1 will call A2, from A2 will call A21, then will call A1. The correct set of activation record along with their access link is given by four options are given and it is asking which one is the correct sequence of activation record along with their access link. Let me first analyze this pseudo language. Here main function is declared and here end main. Then procedure A1 declare and end A1. Procedure A2 declare and A2 end here. Then procedure A21 declare and it end here. So nesting depth of main function will be let 1. Then for A1 it will be 2. For A2 it will be 2. As procedure A2 is nested immediately within main. Then for procedure A21 nesting depth will be 3. How the execution will start? It will start from main and within main this function are defined. Here is a call A1. So first it will call A1. From main it will call A1. Where A1 is present, A1 is nested immediately within main. So from A1 there will be access link to main. Let me take a stack. After main we are calling A1 and A1 is nested immediately main. So from A1 there will be access link to main. This is a down growth of stack. Actual stack representation will be like this, but as in option it is given down growth, so I am doing the down growth. Next inside A1 we'll call A2 and where A2 is present, A2 is present immediately within main and from A2 there will be access link to main. Next inside A2 there is a call A21 and where A21 is present, A21 is present inside procedure A2. So from A21 there will be access link to A2. Next inside A21 there is a call to A1. A1 is nested immediately after main. So from A1 there will be access link to main. And how control link will be there? From main there will be control link to A1. Then from A1 control link will go to A2. From A2 control link will go to A21. From A2 control link will go to A1. Option A is for control link, not for access link. So this is wrong. Then option C, it is not mentioned activation record for all in the chain. A1 is given, A2 is given, A21 is given, but not for A1. So this is wrong. Next option B, from A1 there is no access link present. This is wrong. So option D is the correct. So what is access link? Where we can access that procedure, there will be access link. A1 we can access inside main. A2 we can access inside main. A21 we can access inside A2. A21 is nested immediately after A2. So from A21 there will be access link to A2. Just compare the nesting depth. For main nesting depth is 1, for A1 nesting depth is 2, for A2 nesting depth is 2, for A21 nesting depth is 3, for A1 nesting depth is 2 and there will be access link immediately 1 less nesting depth. So from A1 there will be access link to main, from A2 there will be access link to main, 1 is exactly 1 less than 2. Then from 3 access link will be to 2 as 2 is exactly 1 less than 3. Then from 2 access link will be to 1. I already discussed access link, just go through that lecture, you can easily solve this question. A1 and A2 are defined under main. So A1 and A2 access link will point to main while A21 is defined under A2. So from A21 access link will point to A2. So here answer will be option D. This is easy, just you need to check where it is present, where we can access that procedure. According to that there will be access link. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.